You see traders making money with AI-powered trading bots, and you wonder what's the best platform for beginners. Most platforms make trading confusing, with high fees, slow execution, and complex tools. But Bybit does it better, making it the perfect choice for beginners who want to trade smarter, not harder. Bybit is the second largest crypto trading platform in the world, trusted by millions. And right now, they're offering up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, but here's the catch: it's only available through the link in the description. Plus, you'll get 16 exclusive coupons in the Rewards Hub trading vouchers, discounts, and extra bonuses just for getting started. Most beginners struggle with high fees, confusing charts, and unreliable tools, but Bybit makes it easy. First, Bybit's ultra-low fees mean you keep more of your profits. While other platforms take a big cut, Bybit lets you trade affordably. Then, there's Bybit Earn, where you can earn guaranteed interest on your crypto. No risky baits, just passive income. Want to practice before using real money? Bybit's demo trading lets you trade risk-free, so you can learn the ropes without losing a dime. And if you need AI-powered insights, Tradict4 is like ChatGPT-4, but for trading. It analyzes trends, predicts market movements, and helps you make smarter decisions. Not sure where to start? Bybit's AI-powered trading bots can trade automatically for you, handling everything so you don't have to stress about strategy. And if you'd rather copy experienced traders, Bybit makes that easy too. With copy trading, you can follow top traders and let them do the work for you. And if you're worried about risk, Bybit has your back. If you're among the first 100 traders to get liquidated, Bybit gives you $100 to cover losses. Then, there's the Bybit card. No fees, works everywhere, and even earns cash back. You can spend crypto like cash, effortlessly. Deposits, easy. Buying crypto, even easier. Verification, fast. It works with nearly any document. So if you're a beginner looking for an easy, low-fee, and AI-powered trading experience, Bybit is the best platform for you. If you're ready to trade smarter, earn passively, and claim your $30,000 bonus, check the link in the description. It's only available there. Start your journey with Bybit today.